Hello, friends. This is Kanu Butani here, and today we will see how AI is used in various industries, how the artificial intelligence has changed the work that we keep on doing manually, and the repetitive work, how that gets changed, and not only repetitive work, but many other things in the healthcare and in the hospitality. So you will see how the AI is changing now. So the agenda of the day is this only, that we will just see what is the how AI are used in various industries. Going to next is artificial intelligence, how it is transforming industries by enabling the intelligent automation globally, how the use of AI is to automate the repetitive tasks, as I told you, and improve the efficiency. The businesses to make faster and smarter and data driven decisions are taken based on AI, and then across the healthcare, the banking, manufacturing, and education. It is also accelerating the digital transformation and strengthening the organization's competitiveness worldwide. In healthcare, if we see, it is helping the people in diagnosing the diseases using the medical imaging, discovering the drugs and research, the patient monitoring and predictive analysis, the virtual health assistants and chatbots asking simple questions, and the personalized treatment recommendations are done using AI. The examples are IBM Watson Health and Google Health. The next is in banking and financial services, the fraud detection and prevention, which you normally see that how the anti-fraud detection things are there, and the all other things, how they are prevented. The risk assessment for credit, which is very important when a person is taking the credit or loan, we need to assess it, how much risk it is. The trading algorithm, the customer service chatbots, loan approval. The examples are JP Morgan Chase and MasterCard. Retail and e-commerce, the product recommendations, the demand forecasting, which is very, very essential. The forecasting of the demand is like checking the 3 months previous demands or the 6 months previous demands. We actually can come to know how the demand forecasting happens, the pricing, the changes in that, and the inventory optimization, the customer sentiment analysis is very important. We need to see the sentiments of the customer. It is not only based on the price that they can afford to, but the sentiment is more important. Examples, the Amazon and Walmart. Then we have manufacturing. In manufacturing, we have predictive maintenance, quality inspection using computer vision. Computer vision is a tool nowadays that is used in AI, supply chain optimization, robotics and automation, production planning, and the examples are Siemens, GE Vernova. Then we go to next slide. Then we have banking and financial services, where we see the fraud detection and prevention. This is very important, that We check the fraud detection and the prevention. Then the credit risk assessment when a person comes and applies for loan or credit. So we need to see the risk assessment, the algorithmic trading, the customer service chatbots, loan approval, and the examples are JP Morgan Chase and MasterCard. Then we have information technology where the software testing automation is very important nowadays, the automation testing. Then the code generation and review can be done easily. The cybersecurity threat can be detected. The IT service management is very important, in which the support is there and the repetitive works are there. The intelligent monitoring happens where the P1, P2 tickets are raised, and we cannot um, just bypass the SLA that are there. The examples are GitHub, Copilot, and ServiceNow. Then we see transportation and logistics, the route optimization, the autonomous vehicles, fleet management, traffic prediction, warehouse automation. The examples are Tesla and UPS. Then we have telecommunications. In telecommunications, the AI looks into the network optimization, then the predictive maintenance. This is very important when when actually we have to do the maintenance. If we are uh, uh, initially we come to know that okay, the maintenance is required, this becomes very important exercise by the AI by identifying what maintenance is to be done, then the customer support automation, the fraud detection, any spam calls are coming, so we can divert that. So you find that potential fraud calls. Then capacity planning, the examples are Vodafone and Ericsson. Then we have the energy. Energy is again the a very big topic. The energy includes the gas and electricity, the gas, the petrols, the changes in that, the crude oil, and the how the crude oil is converted into the oil that is to be used. So energy falls into that. So the smart grid management, the energy consumption forecast, forecasting how much energy will be consumed. The asset management and asset monitoring is another very big thing in energy, because in energy sector there are very big and uh, difficult to handle manually uh, in the equipments. So that requires the asset monitoring, and which asset is to be, and they are very very expensive assets, so we have to monitor them so that we can utilize them for longer period. Then it is renewable energy optimization, the outage prediction. Examples are Schneider Electric and ABB. Then we have insurance, in which we have automated claim processing, the risk assessment, the fraud detection, customer service automation, underwriting support. Examples are Alliance AXA. Sorry. So the healthcare, in that we see the crop health monitoring, the precision farming. So the farming uh, is the crop health farming monitoring, the precision farming, the yield prediction, the smart irrigation and pest detection. Then video, the content recommendation, the video and image generation, the music composition, the content moderation, the audience analysis. The examples are Netflix and Spotify. So main is the recommendations of the content and the content moderation for children and everyone. Then HR, the resume screening is very important. The AI does it very nicely. Candidate matching happens good, nice way. The employee engagement analysis, the workforce planning, learning and development recommendations. So the new person who joins, what skills we should provide, and based on the even the person's what skills are to be provided. Then the contract analysis, legal research, document summarization, compliance monitoring, case outcome prediction. So in the contract, all these are seen. Then the city development, the smart city management, the citizen service chatbots, the traffic control. Nowadays, there are a lot many different ways of controlling the traffic, the crime pattern analysis, the disaster response planning. So that's these are all the AI, the fields in which AI is really helping us out nowadays, and we are really getting a lot of advantage of all this. I hope this would have been very helpful to you all. And if you want more details, you can view my other videos. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.